Emily, artist girl here, and guess what I got today? A Fin Fun mermaid tail! Yay, it finally came! Oh, I've been so impatient. So yeah, we're gonna open it. I can't get this thing to work. Chop. Okay, got this. Why is this so difficult? I literally cannot cut this. The cardboard is overlooked. What's the deal, people? Get it. Can I have some help, please, Dad? Dad's over there. Okay, thank you. Yay! Ooh, okay, so it's a... This is the tail. I got the Arctic blue tail. Ooh, it's so pretty. Important. Not important. I've watched enough videos. What are you? You were packing this. Okay. See, it's all blue on the inside. It says Fin Fun over there. Right here. Let's open the Monofin. I've got the Monofin Pro. Is there an open? There's a sticker. There are a bunch of cards. Random cards I'll pay attention to later. Sticker. Pull this out. This is cool. See, it's big. It's like half the size of me. It's made with like wetsuit stuff, I think. I'm not sure, but that's the plexi. No, there's plastic on it. I was told this was plexiglass. It's plastic. Okay. Good for me. Good with me. The mermaid tail and its magical bag of magical wonders. And the evil tag of evilness. Straight. No. Someone at the door. Let's see if I open this. And then pull this out. I'll read that later. And then, oh, it's so pretty. Guys, look at Lizzie, you are not recording this. Look how pretty it is. It's really long. Really long. Wait, my one's Look at the colors on it. It's so pretty. And then, well, should we show them what I look like in the mermaid tail? Here, let's press it so it can play. Okay, tail on. Ha, I am a mermaid. It took so long they got to wear an actual mermaid tail. The last one was terrible. It wasn't a Fin Fun one the last time. It was a fantasy fin last time, and it sucked. So I get a new tail! Yay! The mermaid seashell necklace. Yay! Yeah! Yay! So, thank you for watching my mermaid tail unboxing. Oh, sorry. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!